So you're here to grow your business. Perfect. And now you probably want to know how LABillboardGuy.com can help. Well, meet Maggie. She will show us how she increased her bottom line with our help. First, Maggie learns that most people spend more than 70% of their time outside their home, and outdoor advertising is the best way to reach a nation on the move. Then, she learns that she can launch an outdoor campaign for as little as $500 a month, and it lives for 28 days. That's right, 28 days. Not one person can change the channel or close the browser window. She's confident she can effectively reach her audience. There's more. She's shocked that mobile integration can supercharge her campaign and increase her reach by an astonishing 316%. She's ready to buy. She uses our advanced proprietary technology and targets her consumers based on age, gender, income, shopping habits, behavior, and geographical movements. Maggie watches her sales increase because she learns that 75% of consumers shop on their way home from work, and 72% have taken action after seeing a billboard or mobile ad. And she was able to get this buy on an average CPM of 25 cents to $2.75, instead of the industry standard $3 to $8. Yeah, Maggie loves our untouchable negotiating power too. Are you ready to take the next step? Great. Give us a ring and let LABillboardGuy.com help your business grow.